Hello, welcome back to my channel. So the title of this, I'm not sure what it's gonna be, so I'm not even gonna say as you see from the title, because I don't even know what the title gonna be. I'm headed to Home Goods because I ordered a bar cart to go in our dining area, and it came in today. So I'm gonna stop by Home Goods, TJ Maxx, and Ross, and I just want to go look and find some decorative stuff for our apartment. And y'all, we getting a freaking puppy. And so I'm just trying to make sure everything gets together for my baby. I'm just playing. I'm just really trying to get our apartment together because we'll be living there a while, and I'm just ready to have it together. I'm ready to be done decorating. I'm ready to stop spending my money on decor. It's just a lot that I'm ready to be done with. Back to the puppy though. We're getting a puppy, and it's a Yorkie, and it's a boy, and we're naming him Leo. So of course I'm gonna do like a cute little introduction to him on my channel, but we're doing like a whole video on our main channel of just introducing our puppy, and we're gonna do some unboxing on like things that we bought him. We spent $700, a lot of money. So I'm very excited. He's so freaking handsome, y'all, like so handsome. I'm gonna have to show y'all what he looks like. Can y'all see? Do y'all see the baby? I'm so excited. Like, I'm beyond excited. I just wanted a puppy. I just wanted something to keep me occupied, like, but not a baby. I'm actually pulling up the Home Goods now. I think I'm gonna go in Ross and TJ Maxx first because they're a little more affordable, a little more reasonable, and then I'll go in Home Goods, and whatever I don't find in Ross and TJ Maxx, then I'll get that there. Because baby, I'll go in Home Goods and spend a whole $300 on one item. That's how expensive they are. If you know, you know. Y'all, let me show y'all my wallet. So freaking cute. Tell me this don't get vibes. I got it from Guess. Tell me it don't. You can't, because it do. And look at my nails. Huge shout out to Trevina. She does my nails. If they look rusty crusty, sorry. I went to work today, so ain't no telling what they look like. I was at work today, and one of my co-workers, Miss Donna, she was like, Lily, that's a bad set of nails on you. I said, well, thank you. I love Miss Donna so much. I don't think I'm gonna stop and restart. I think I'm just gonna do like a continuous clip, because then I'm not gonna know when to start back. I'm gonna be nervous. Hold on, let me put my keys in my car. Not meant to put my keys in my purse. Yeah, I'm out of my mind. I'm losing my mind at this point. I'm nervous, y'all. Let me take this big ass mic off of here so it won't draw attention to it. Hold on, y'all. All right, we're going into Ross. This is cute. 40 bucks. I like that. That's cute, but I ain't got nowhere for that to go. So that's gonna stay in here. And they playing music. They playing music, child. I'm gonna talk to y'all in TJ Maxx because it don't look like. Oh, y'all, I done found some pictures for our bedroom. Look at these. Alright, y'all, I found me some at Ross. We headed to check out. And y'all, I picked up those what was I trying to say? Oh, I picked up those canvases in Ross, and it was a girl. She was talking to her friend. She was like, oh my gosh, she picked up those canvases you like. And her friend was like, put them back right now. And I heard her and I started laughing. I was like, I'm sorry. My bad. These are the 3 items that I'm gonna buy. So I got that gravity water feeder, this cute basket. I just thought that was really cute. And then this is my decor that I got to go on the bar cart. So this will be the one piece of decor that I have sitting on there. And hopefully in Home Goods I find like the little ice bucket thing that you can like sit stuff in also. And I also was looking for the little thing that you make mixed drinks with, but I couldn't find it here. So I actually did get some good stuff from Home Goods. I'm gonna tell y'all about it, but I'm at Slim's Chicken now to give me something too.
I'll go some chickens now. Have a nice day, order.
Thank you. Okay, so at Home Goods I ended up finding one of those little picture thingies that says you put the ice in. I got that, and then I got Leo. That's our dog's name. I don't know if I told y'all what was naming him. But I got him a tote to keep his toys in. What else did I get from Home Goods? Oh, I got this lamp, y'all. To go on the bar cart. It looks so good. It's like a circle lamp. Like, it looks really good. And then I got a little decorative PlayStation sign. I just felt like it was so cute. I got it from my boyfriend. And we're gonna set that up and put it like beside his PlayStation. I just thought that was cute. But in total, I added it all up. I spent, hold on, let me go back to my calculator. $219.91. So I spent $220. $80 to spare out of the 300. Okay, so I'm just gonna, I'll put that $80 like on my credit card or something. But I'm headed to my mom's house now. It's currently 8:59, so basically 9 o'clock. And I am headed there to just chill with them for a little bit. And I'm gonna grab my packages and head out. I'll be there about 30-45 minutes because I have school in the morning. So that's pretty much it for now. And I'll see y'all when I get to my mom's house. Hey, Leah, we
hey, Lily.
Oh, you got it. Okay, y'all. So we at the house. Well, what happened?
What? In the bag, just like get to the 7 army.
Y'all, if you homeless and you ain't got no shoes, you can wear these. Mama told you ready to be barefooted. Okay.
Look.
I look a mess, y'all. Okay, let me show y'all my room. Girl, boo. Let me show y'all my setup, y'all. My shelf, I cleaned up everything, y'all. But that's all because my bed messy. Hold on. But anyways, I'm back. Where my phone at, y'all? I'm finna put y'all on my Snapchat.
Okay.
No, I'm not done. I'm not done.
I don't give a damn.
Malia.
It's okay.
Let it. You let go now. You let go now. I wasn't done talking to them.
Malia, listen. It's okay. You ain't gotta try to get the camera. I got it. Thank you, though, okay? You wanna come talk to me? I mean, come talk to them. Somebody bite you. Or a bug bite you.
What
happened?
Now get off the floor. You already been bathed, but you slide across the floor.
It's okay, alright. Wait, what?
Your leg was hurting you eating a hot dog?
Oh, come here. Hot dog made my leg hurt too. I don't eat no more. Don't scratch it, baby. You gonna scratch
Don't
it?
act like you got crab.
You stay over there.
I don't want to come to y'all pool this week or something.
Yeah, Thursday. Y'all got equipment?
No.
Equipment for what?
It was under the
Right.
What type of equipment?
I had ordered a floaty. It's undeliverable, so I'm gonna get one from Sam's.
I'm gonna see how it undeliverable because you just right here.
I said the same thing, but I clicked on it and said they damaged the package. Say talk to you later.
Okay, see you later.
They could deliver that in 18.
See you later.
You know what? After a while, crocodile.
Obsessed with you.
Alright, y'all, this is the lamp that I got from Home Goods, and you can tap it and it'll dim it or make it a little brighter. So that's that lamp. I got this from TJ Maxx. This is the little ice bucket thing that I got from Home Goods. I got this basket from TJ Maxx. Under here, I got this wine holder from the World Market. And this right here, this little thing came from TJ Maxx. We've had it for a while now. I'm just using it as a little shelf for our shot glasses. I cannot think of the name of those. But yeah, using it as a shelf for our shot glasses. And then whatever whatever alcohol or liquor that I get, it's gonna go in this area. And look y'all, it's the mirror. So cute. My hair look a mess. This is cute. I'm excited. What's up, vlog? It is the next day. The time is currently 12:27. Hey boy. Leo. Okay everyone, this is Leo. Oh. This is Leo. He has a main introduction on our channel. I just wanted to show you guys because I'm editing the vlog and I realized I did not show y'all my baby. I only vlog for our main channel. But y'all can tune into my main channel to get the full introduction of him and opening his Amazon gifts and everything else. Let's see you later. See y'all later, bro. Look at him. He be ready to play. Alright, y'all. It's the next day. We are getting ready to get in the pool. I'm about to blow this floaty up. Leo is currently sleeping. He's so tired. Look at him.
Hey, Leo.
He's asleep. Leave him alone. He's currently asleep. So everybody's getting ready. We're getting the fruit together. Alright y'all, so we are about to get ready and go down to the pool. Everybody got their stuff together. We got this little basket right here. Under it we got fruit and juices and stuff. If y'all can see, I got my little vase. Hold on, let me throw these on real quick. Okay. And the rest of the footage is gonna be on my phone, y'all, because we're gonna be in the pool and I'm not taking this camera down there. So I will see y'all at the pool. What you think, Naomi? You excited? You look pretty. All right, y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell them what you're doing.
I'm swimming in a pool.
You swimming? You want to show them? You want to swim forward or you want to float on your back? Which one?
I want to blow my back.
Okay, you ready? Okay. All right.
You guys. I want it in my ear.
Take it in your ear? Okay, let me hold you up a little more. Okay, that better? All right. Oh, look at her, y'all. Look at the baby. Relaxing. Oh, hello, ma'am. Leon, mommy over there. Hold on. You talk to him.
I don't know what to say.
You don't know what to say? What you doing?
Swimming in the pool.
Swimming in the pool? Oh, that sounds fun. Okay. Are you having fun?
Yes.
Okay.
I know how to swim.
You do? You want to show them? Okay.
I know how to do right here.
You know how to go right there?
What is it?
Let's see.
Let's see.
Yeah. Whoa. How did you do that?
Okay.
Having fun?
Yes. You baby Maria, I was. Mom!
Look who made it to the pool party.
Shark in the water.
Wait a minute.
It's the lid that I want though. Hold on, let me pull up.
You want to get out? Why?
This is about you.
Okay. Babies, y'all tell the boy y'all see them later, okay?
See you later.
Okay, see you in the next video.